Racing just is started. We have a storm break weekly at the start. Face of my wish, Flyboy, sorry outside, pretty bull, inspiring Europa comes next, shut up, be my baby, while is Marty Gibson, is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Piece of My Wish, Viola Lenka, Flyboy is right behind in second, pretty bull, inspiring Europa in the middle. Storm comes next, shut up, be my baby, second less, while is Marty Gibson still racing in less. And as they swing down the back, we have Peace of My Wish, Viola Lenka moving a party outside, pretty bull, Europa is down on the inside, Flyboy in the middle, and 6 lengths further back in fifth comes Inspiring, shut up, Storm, and on the outside is Be My Baby, while Smarty Gibson is still trailing the group. And at the far turn, we have Piece of My Wish, Viola Nose, and on the outside is Pretty Bull. Europa is down in third, Flyboy, shut up, Inspiring, Storm, Be My Baby, Smarty Gibson. And as they swing for home, Piece of My Wish, Pretty Bull, Europa moving a party outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Pretty Bull followed now by Europa in second, and finally it's Pretty Bull. Europa close between Piece of My Wish, Inspiring, Storm, and Flyboy.